Hi, my name is Jordan, and there's one thing I need you to know about me. I want pizza, but it's gotta be a proper pizza. Not this garbage. Luckily, one of the finest food trucks on wheels is just around the corner. Or, we'll edit it to make it seem so.
Damn! Custom Pizza Truck is an incredibly unique food truck in Europe, constructed in original American truck. 2 years now, it's been delivering amazing Neapolitan pizza to all the biggest parties and music festivals on the continent.
Let's meet Bartek, the guy who's behind this project. So, this is the secret of your truck's success, right?
Yes, it is.
And this is its child.
Exactly. I'm its mother.
So what's the story?
Wherever we went with our custom pizza truck, people would always ask us, how can we make the same pizza at home? And I simply told them, well, pal, you can't, because your home oven is just too cold. To make a proper pizza, you need about 400, 500 degrees. And an oven just like this one. Wait, what? So yeah, man, this is how we came up with the idea to give our fans miniature, portable, authentic, fully functional Neapolitan pizza oven, and this is how Spino was born.
Wow, I want it on my party. It's actually tonight. Wanna come over?
Sure.
Will you bring Spino?
Well, why not?
Cool, cool, cool. So I'll take it with me now so we won't have to carry it. In return, I'll tell you guys everything about Spino. Spino is nothing like other mini pizza ovens. No box style or modern design. It's modeled after the original Neapolitan brick style ovens and made of traditional materials. Remember those cast iron pans your grandparents used? Oh, thanks, that's exactly what I was talking about. Hear this? In Italian it means solid and reliable. And Spino is made of pure granite and 100% cast iron components that can last 200 years. So it's like 2 lifetime warranties, if you're lucky. Sorry. Spino is also the only mini pizza oven that you can fully disassemble to clean it, which is rather important. I don't know how about you guys, but I love to get undressed before I take a shower.
I'd love to see that.
And I don't even have to chop this beauty into pieces for today's party. Spino is gas fueled, so you can use it on your balcony or rooftop. I gotta buy some things for tonight. And meat. Lots of meat, since tomorrow my parents are coming in. I want to get my pudding! And we call Spino mini pizza oven, but actually it's just a super hot oven provided with cast iron cooking dishes, which means you can use it to prepare some super delicious fish, seafood, or veggies. And of course, meat. Okay, let's get this party started. But first, I need a moment to get ready. Meanwhile, look at this. Spino is just 50 on 50 centimeters, and it only weighs 40 kilograms, so you can easily take it camping or for a weekend at your friends. This mechanically rotating floor is made of pure granite, the best material for healthy baking. And now, ladies and gentlemen, a badass gas jet system with 3 diffusers which allow our Spino to heat up to 500 degrees in just 20 minutes and guarantee even baking. It's pizza time! Woo!
What can I say? Spino is not just a cool addition to your party. Spino is the party. No, but seriously, Spino is the world's finest miniature, portable Neapolitan pizza oven. We want to make the best pizza available to all people that we cannot reach with our custom pizza truck. This fella will pay you back by making you the neighborhood hero. Please support Spino for your own good.